Who needs a drone? This photographer's car mirror hack steals the spotlight. Modern weddings are nothing short of cinematic spectacles, complete with photographers, videographers, and a flurry of creative activities. From sporty pre-wedding games and karaoke booths to dramatic entries with flying angels delivering engagement rings, couples are going all out to make their big day unforgettable. Amid this colorful chaos, the spotlight often falls on the photography crew tasked with immortalizing these vibrant moments. Now, a viral video has surfaced, showing a wedding photographer employing a bizarre yet brilliantly inventive technique to capture candid memories, leaving the internet both amused and amazed. In a video making rounds on X, we can spot a bride and groom seated inside the back seat of their swanky four-wheeler, while their photographer can be seen applying an incredibly creative and memorable way to capture their wedding moment. In the same clip, the couple's bridesmaids and groomsmen can be seen flashing their mobile lights while cheerfully posing for the camera. At this moment, the photographer uses the car's rearview mirror to frame the couple's kiss, alongside the candid reactions of the guests from the vehicle's windshield. Additionally, during the edit of the photo, the couple were kept in a color palette while their guests were seen in a monochrome frame showcasing the center of attraction for the day. This perfect blend of traditional romance and modern spontaneity not only added a personal touch to the couple's wedding album but also became a standout moment in the evolving landscape of wedding photography trends for 2025. The coolest wedding shoot idea I've ever seen. Pic.twitter.com Exativza Interesting things awkward Google June 6, 2025 The coolest wedding shoot idea I've ever seen. Read the caption of the video, which instantly went viral on social media. Reacting to it, one user stated, "The coolest wedding shoot idea." Another mentioned, "This is the best." Someone said, "Now, that's a new level of creativity." "Yeah, I hope they paid bro extra," wondered a person, while one social media user completely in love with the concept added, "It's giving cinematic masterpiece vibes, not just a wedding shoot. The kind of pics you show your grandkids and they're like, were you in a movie? Pure magic, 1010 dream wedding energy." A few more comments read, "This is so amazing, amazing photo, that's too cool, and nice shot," among others. Swipe left for next video. Meanwhile, not everyone was satisfied with the photographer's technique. A person called it LOL basic. Echoing the same sentiment, a user added, "Horrible." The video has so far received almost a staggering 8.1 million views. Latest blogs.